In this video, I'll show you one of the simplest ways to make money with YouTube Shorts in 2022. And not only can you do it without showing your face on camera, but I found a little known niche that is now receiving massive numbers of views. I'll also show you a product that no one else is promoting that can help you make a lot more money. You just watch the whole video, and I am going to show you how to find the video clips, how to edit them, how to upload them to avoid any copyright issues, and how to make $10,000 per month by uploading this type of short. So stay tuned for that, and all I ask is that you hit the like and subscribe buttons to discover new online income opportunities on a daily basis. The niche that we are going to make shorts in is the funny cat niche. Maybe many of you have heard about this niche, but hold on. Today the method that I am going to reveal is completely brand new. It takes 15 to 30 minutes daily to make the same shorts and can generate $10,000 per month or more for you. Just see the views. Each and every video got millions of views because people enjoy watching this kind of funny cat moments. Let's have a look at what is in the videos. It is just a short clip of funny cats, and believes me, all of the short videos are the same. The product that we want to promote using our shorts is called cat spraying. I researched this product, and this product seems to be extremely beneficial for people who have cats in their homes. Basically, this product helps people to stop inappropriate peeing. You can read about the product, and the product cost is $37. And if anyone purchases this, they also provide them some bonuses such as the Cat Training Bible, which is a cat training book, 101 recipes for a healthy cat, then the Cat Care Blueprint, and so on. So, if any of our viewers purchase this product, they sure benefited from this, and this product also gives us a $25 commission on each sale. You can see here, this YouTube channel Fun Fin Area only has more than 2,000 subscribers, but still get 369,000 views from just one short. That proves that if you start today, you can also get thousands of views on your channel. Let's calculate. If you get this amount of views on our shorts, then how much money we can potentially earn. From 369,000 viewers, if just 0.1% of people purchase our product, which is a very minimal conversion, then also 369 sales are generated. And as the product commission is $25, so we can make nearly $10,000 per month by spending 30 minutes every day. You might understand how much earning potential this niche has. Now let's figure out how to make the same short videos. So, the first step is finding funny cat videos. I'll show you two methods for finding clips. One example is YouTube itself. Look for things like funny cat moments. Then you must narrow this search term around to Creative Commons videos. These are all the videos that are published under the Creative Commons license. Simply open any of them and view their descriptions. The Creative Commons attribution license is seen here. Let's see what this license says. This is YouTube's official website, and they discuss the Creative Commons license here. As you can see, Creative Commons licenses provide a standard way for content creators to allow others permission to use their work, which means you may use their videos to create your own. If you've marked your video with a CC BY license, you retain your copyright, which means they can't make a copyright claim because their videos are marked with a Creative Commons license. You can read it if you wish. As a result, it is clear that if we use these videos, we do not have a copyright. Don't be concerned. I'll prove to you by uploading the video that they didn't grant me any copyright. Okay, Dailymotion.io is another option. Go to this website and search for funny cats to see a lot of funny cat videos. You can make 3 to 5 15-second shorts for your channel out of this one 17-minute video. The video is a compilation of funny cat moments. Simply use the Internet Download Manager to download the video. This is the Internet Download Manager's official webpage. Because it is paid, you can use its free trial version for 30 days. However, the cost of that program is not extremely expensive. It costs $11 for a 1-year license and $24 for a lifetime license. Okay, now I am just downloading this video. You can download these funny cat videos either from Dailymotion or from YouTube's Creative Commons videos. The video has been downloaded, and now we need to watch it to discover some crazy cat moments. Then move on to the second step, which is video editing. I'm using Filmora to edit the YouTube shorts here, but you may use any video editing software as the editing procedure is the same. First and foremost, the video must be imported. As you can see, our video has been imported. Now, drag the video into the editing timeline. Then choose a clip that looks interesting. This cat moment appeals to me. It seems entertaining, doesn't it? Simply trim that moment and remove everything else. This clip is 15 seconds long, which is enough. Now, select the video, and then click on the TV icon to adjust the project aspect ratio. Right now, the ratio is 16:9 widescreen, but we need to change it to 9:16 portrait as YouTube short is portrait. Our video timeline has now been transformed into a portrait. Select the video once more, then right-click the mouse and select Crop and Fit. As you can see, the video has been cropped and fitted to the timeline. You may add your product promotion text here if you wish. After doing this, you can simply export the video. Our video is exported, and you can see the preview of the video. You can literally make the same video within 15 minutes. Now I'll show you the product that will be promoted using YouTube Shorts. The product I just showed you is an affiliate product from ClickBank. Simply enter your email and password to log in, and if you don't already have an account, you can create one by clicking on this link. This type of dashboard will appear when you log in. You must now click on Affiliate Marketplace, then navigate to the Home and Garden category, and from there select Animal and Pet Care products. Then sort the results by gravity to see all of the best-selling products in this category. And from these, we're promoting a product called Cat Spraying No More, which pays us a $25.49 commission on each sale. You may get to the product landing page by clicking here. You must also visit the product affiliate website, where you will find detailed instructions on how to promote and earn a commission. This product has a very good conversion rate of 16.2%, which they demonstrate here. So, read all of this before promoting, and if it appears that you have a good product to promote, simply click the Promote button. Then you must submit your nickname and tracking ID. However, tracking ID is optional. Then, click Create Hop Link, and ClickBank will create a product promotion link for you. See, paste this URL into your promotional material. Simply just copy this hop link. It is now time to post our edited video to demonstrate that they will not grant us copyright. But before that, smash that subscribe button to learn new online money-making ideas daily. This is a YouTube channel that I created for uploading my shorts. To upload a video, click Upload Video, and then drag and drop the file here, and the video will begin to upload. Provide a title, such as Funny Cat Moment, and then add hashtag shorts. We must now include a product promotion link in the description section. But first, I'd want to show you that our short video was uploaded and verified by YouTube, and no copyright issues were found. So it is proven that, if you follow all the steps, you won't receive any copyright. Now, paste the promotional link into the description and add something like, check out a brand new cat spraying product. The video is then simply published. Then, go to the comment box of your uploaded short, paste the same product promotion link, and comment. Now you need to pin the comment. Since we pinned the comment, most viewers will check both the pinned comment and the product page, and if they buy, we will earn a $25.49 commission. So, if you follow the same procedures, you might also earn $10,000 each month using YouTube Shorts. Although it takes time to earn this much, but you need just 30 minutes every day to make this kind of shorts. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you have not done that already. See you in the next video.